Now, in a bid to battle the COVID-19 crisis in the national capital, Home Minister Amit Shah has called in for a second emergency meeting at 5 p.m. today to discuss COVID situation in the state. The meeting will be attended by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. According to sources, Kejriwal will be following up on the request for additional beds in the central government hospitals. This comes as Delhi yesterday recorded 7,340 new COVID cases, 96 fresh deaths, taking the total cases now in Delhi to 4,82,170 and over 7,500 deaths reported from the national capital. Chief Minister Kejriwal may also seek centre's help in ensuring cooperation there from other states in controlling pollution levels. This comes as Amit Shah's second entry into Delhi's COVID fight. In June this year, Amit Shah had stepped in to beef up Delhi's COVID fight and seemingly help the capital flatten its curve. Delhi has been witnessing an uptick in COVID cases due to rising pollution levels, crowding at markets and people ignoring safety norms.
कोरोना बढ़ रहा है, इसको लेके मैं भी चिंतित हूं। दिल्ली में पिछले कुछ दिनों से कोरोना बढ़ रहा है। जो भी उचित कदम उठाने की ज़रूरत है, हम वो सभी उचित कदम उठा रहे हैं। अगले हफ्ते भी और कई सारी चीज़ें हमने सोची हुई हैं, कई सारे कदम और उठाए जाएंगे। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हफ्ते 10 दिन के अंदर फिर से कोरोना की स्थिति काबू में आ जानी चाहिए, कोरोना कम होना चालू हो जाना चाहिए। अभी कुछ दिन बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन मैं समझता हूं कि हफ्ते 10 दिन के अंदर कोरोना की स्थिति दिल्ली में काबू आ जानी चाहिए।
Well, yeah, you have Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal there assuring that the situation would be better in the coming days. Remember, it's Diwali, celebrations galore. Firecrackers were banned by the NGT, even though Delhi government enforced it largely. Still, nonetheless, you could hear crackers going off across. And despite warnings, it seems like pollution levels have still not come under control. Clearly, we're looking at people there on ground, possibly have flouted norms, severe levels of pollution in the national capital. The Delhi government also tried to curb stubble burning, giving out some schemes to those farmers who can deal with the stubble without burning them. Measures have been taken, but how effective has it been on ground is the question, considering the levels of pollution in Delhi is now severe. It's in the severe category, and this is a time when COVID cases are on the rise. Experts as well linking directly pollution levels to rise in COVID cases. Cutting across to Ashutosh Mishra joining us for more. Ashutosh, here is Home Minister Amit Shah now all set to call for an emergency meet, which clearly shows that this is a state of emergency that we're looking at. Delhi cases are on a sharp rise. COVID-19 cases have seen a direct link with rise in pollution levels. The pollution level in the city is in the severe category, despite all the cracker ban, despite all the efforts put in by the government. What next now?
So you're absolutely right that how this, the air pollution level has made the situation worse. And in fact, this was also predicted by the committees of experts as well, including the doctors, that more there's a pollution level, this is going to be worse in the situation as far as COVID in the national capital is concerned. However, today, since the data has been out now, there is a drastic drop in the number of positive cases. Around 3,200 cases have been reported. Positive cases of COVID in Delhi have been reported today. However, there are more than 90 deaths. So amidst of all that, the Delhi Chief Minister had requested the Union Home Minister to have a meeting, and now this meeting is taking place with all the experts, including the Niti Aayog members, including Dr. V.K. Paul. There will be officials from the Health Department, Health Ministry, Dr. Harshvardhan, the Union Health Minister, Delhi Chief Minister, the Lieutenant Governor. So all the enforcement agency will be sitting together, where what we have learned, the state government will request the center to have some beds, including the ICU beds in the center-run hospitals, reserved to deal with the COVID crisis, as the number, may spark further. This is the festive season. We have seen kind of violation, be the, crackers ban or gathering in the market. So we have seen the social distancing going for it all. So all that these things are happening, center has intervened. These meetings will subsequently, there will be some directives issued,
right,
and we'll have to see, because the state has reserved its hospital, the private hospitals have been asked to keep beds reserved for it. Now it is the center government hospital, whether there will be more bed needed in coming days or not. And also we are keeping eyes what directives.
Let's see what happens next. There's an emergency meeting that's also been called in. Ashutosh Mishra, thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.